We are back out here in Beamng. Now, as y'all can see, I'm living somewhere new. Um, I moved out here to West Coast because I found a great deal on a shop out here and a great deal on this house. Got my son's car here in the driveway. I sold the old Cummins and bought this 6.4 Power Stroke, and sold my enclosed trailer and got a bag trailer so I could afford to move in. But my buddy that lives out here gave me this truck. Now this is also a Cummins, but it's extended cab dually, and I don't drive this truck much. I need to. But we are actually going to hop in the 6.4. This thing is like so cool. Before I started recording. Alright. Good. But anyways, I'll see you guys when we get to the shop. I'll see you guys when we get to the shop. Just a second. I hate waiting at traffic lights. Anyways, what do y'all think of the old 6.4 Power Stroke? Get a better look at it when we get to the shop. I bought it with no tailgate. You had to find a tailgate for it. But yeah, like I said, I bought it with no tailgate. You have to find the right color tailgate for it. Because I don't know the paint color of this truck. I can't find it either. What the heck is going on? Alright, I'm going over here. I ain't got time for this. Now, I'm a very big Cummins person, but I'm loving the 6.4. I sold it right before I moved and drove the whole way with it, and it's been doing pretty good. I'm loving it so far. I'm loving it so far. It's been a great little old truck. I drive this thing everywhere. Alright. Okay, we'll get a quick look at the old 6.4 first. Now, I don't know what color this is, but it's got color matched front bumper, color matched headlights, fuel forged wheels, and the spokes and stuff are color matched, and the lug nuts. I do need a tailgate. It's got a gooseneck hitch, a chrome grille. It's just a factory old work truck with some stuff done to it. Now, I'll get to that in a minute. This is what happened to the Malibu. So after the last episode, I got a little crazy on the street and destroyed the front end, the fiberglass front end. I had it sitting in my driveway, and my buddy came over and hit this side, and then I backed into this side with the Power Stroke, so that's all unpainted. Now this one, this is Nikki. I've named this car Nikki. It is a screw-blown 565 big block, I think. I'm going to change these wheels. I bought the car like this. I'm probably going to change these wheels. Full tube chassis car. I'm kidding. There's frame under here. But nah, I'm joking. Full tube chassis car. Very, very light. Small tire. And I've got a GoPro on each fender and one in the back under the fiberglass. And yeah, the front end's hanging in the office. I'll put it on. But we are going to take this to the track today and see what times we can make with it. So I'll see you guys when we got it on the trailer. Alright, we got the Camaro all loaded up. We are going to head to the track. But I do just want to drive and talk while we're on our way over there. I really do appreciate you guys being patient while the PC was getting fixed. As y'all can see, I am bringing this content back. Again, I have to get all my mods again. I have some, but not all. Gotta get all my mods again. All the track mods and stuff I had. Once I do that, I'll be back with Beamng fully. And I'm done with FS19. I'm bringing FS25 to the channel. And another game that I've wanted to play for a while that I've seen all over YouTube. So, but yeah, I'm officially back on the whole YouTube thing. It's good to be back. I've missed this. Missed all of it. It's finally fixed. So I'm back. Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna get down here to the track and get the car unloaded. I'll see y'all here in just a sec. Alright. We got the Camaro unloaded. Now, my buddy owns this track. So, I've got my own tent here. But, we are going to get in the Camaro. We will start her up. Headphone users, beware. This car is pretty loud.
For a minute, let her cool off, and then I'm gonna take her back out there. So I'll see y'all here in just a sec. Alright, like I said, I'll see y'all when I got back in the shop, but I wanted to drive and talk for a little bit. And I also forgot to say, if y'all have enjoyed this video so far and want to see more just like it in the Beamng series, be sure to like and subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out on the next upload. And I will bring more videos. But again, I can't say it enough. I really appreciate you guys being patient with me while the PC's been getting fixed. It means a lot. And I hope to have a career out of this, doing this full time. I've always loved gaming, and knowing I can get paid to game, it's just a win-win for me. So, yeah. So if y'all have enjoyed this video so far, and want to see more just like it, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out on the next upload. And also let me know what y'all want to see come to the channel. Any new cars, anything, new trucks, new dailies. The shop's not too far from the track. Damn. Shop. I hope to have the Malibu back out in the next episode. I tuned it a little more, but I'm still working on the tune, so I'm not making any promises. But I'm gonna get Nikki unloaded, and we're gonna put the trailer somewhere and head back to the house, hop in the Cummins, and ride over to another one of my buddy's places to look at possibly buying another car. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I got Nikki unloaded. Alright, I said I was going to go back to the house and get the Cummins. Go look at this thing. So I wasn't going to trade it. I might be buying it. So just in case I do, I'm going to bring the trailer.
just pulling up. I have a trailer. And right there it is. Pull down here. I'll leave the power stroke running. Now it's a C6 Corvette that my buddy had, and he was gonna build it but never got around to it. It's painted in this beautiful blue color. It's already, let's see if he left it where the doors cut open. Did he? It's already been funny car cage and everything. All the internals are in it except motor and transmission and stuff. Got that cool switch panel. Here, we'll get in it and I'll show you guys. Switch panel, full tube chassis, all the wire and the batteries, funny car cage, CO2 bottle, parachute, everything. It just needs a motor, transmission, a power adder, wheels, slicks, a parachute or parachutes, and a wing, and severe tuning. Now, he was going to set this up for Pro Charger, so I think I might do the same. But, yeah, I can't just leave it here. He's asking a great deal for it. I can't just leave it here. So, I'm going to run in here and pay him for it, and I'll see y'all here in just a sec.